Whoa, are we in a Pokemon battle? Why does a keyboard need an engine? What kind of brick is that? Is that a binocular? Let's dive right in. Do you belong to the secret club of the lovers of the colder side of the pillow? Well, now you can regulate the temperature of your whole bed with the Chili Sleep Cube cooling sleep system. With its superpower to keep your bed between 55 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, it can create a sleep-friendly environment throughout the year. The system is really easy to use. Simply pour some water into the control unit and adjust all the settings. Your partner isn't a night king like you and wants their side of the bed to be warm and toasty? They can set the needed degree on their side of the mattress with the mobile app or using the remote, no problem. Finally, this gadget prioritizes your safety with a 13-ounce water reservoir tank that automatically switches off when it's low. Shopping time! Aren't you that happy? Because you can already imagine yourself dragging those heavy bags to your car? Meet the Shop-A-Cart you can simply put into your trunk and take it right home. Pure magic as it is. When you arrive at the supermarket, just unfold the legs, remind us of something, and you're ready to conquer the nearest department. As usual, place the most important things on the bottom in order not to lose them. Want to sip your coffee while picking fruits and veggies? Install the cup holder. Need to have the whole list in front of your eyes? Why do you think the phone holder's for? When you're done, just fold those legs and drive home. So good. There's always something you'd like to improve in your customizable mechanical keyboard, no matter how good it is. In KeysMe Lunar 01 keyboard, you can personalize every detail from the whole look to the clicks of the keys. You see that so-called equalizer? In fact, it's a lamp that reacts to your typing. You can either turn it off or remove to put a couple of favorite heroes instead, or just use this cavity as a stand for your phone. Yep, the keyboard works with mobile devices no matter the OS too. The built-in battery is enough for 800 hours of typing. 5 side die sub keycaps provide incredible feedback while you're using the keyboard. Are the clicks too loud? Use the silicone dampeners. It's time to attach those spinners. We're taking off. Blenders are fine. It's their motors that are always breaking down. Well, not only the motors. Okay, this ultimate modern blender has no motor at all. Milo features the magnetic air drive technology that makes the blender incredibly silent and fast. You see those circles on the base? They indicate the speed level and battery status. In addition, there are 3 different modes to choose from. As for the app, it allows you to control the blender remotely, receive updates, and check your nutrition data. Keeping this thing clean is easier than ever since the cup is dishwasher friendly. Finally, hang the base onto that magnetic hook to charge it. We used to boast about big TVs in our houses. What if you could get a 100-inch HD screen with something as big as your soda can? Yep, Nebula Capsule can do that. It's an Android TV Pocket Cinema. What other features does it hide? Well, it has a built-in Chromecast, there are thousands of Android TV apps, and it automatically focuses the image in just 1 second. To say simpler, you can watch literally any movie or program in and outside if you want in no time. The pick won't disappoint you even if the environment is bright enough. Same goes for the sound. Lazy to pick manually? Ask the voice assistant to do that. Want to play a little? Okay, connect the device to your console and launch the game. Maybe it's time to boast with the projectors. Okay, one of the ways to wake up a bit faster is to listen and to sing along with some snappy music while taking a shower. Do you see that suction cup in the lower part of this SoundBot speaker? You know what to do. With its sturdy silicone case, the speaker is resistant to water and delivers high-quality stereo sound for up to 6 hours on one charge. It also has a built-in microphone for hands-free calls. In addition, the device supports Bluetooth for seamless connectivity with all your devices. Someone's calling? You might have disturbed your neighbors. Either the speaker or your singing were too loud. This is a whole new way to present and store your homemade beverages. This porthole infusion vessel creates a striking display for cocktails, teas, oils, dressings, coffee, and more, while allowing your masterpieces to infuse. One porthole holds 13 ounces of liquid. All the materials it's made of are durable, sturdy, and safe to the drinks. So put everything inside the accessory, then cover it with top glass, tighten the screw, and pour the fun-giving liquid in. Don't forget to seal everything with a silicone cap. This allows you to infuse liquids for a long time and enhance the flavors. Magnifique! Are you about to film your extreme adventures? DJI Osmo Action 3 Cam is all the equipment you need for that. Okay, you'll also need various mounts and sticks too. The cam magnetically clips to them either vertically or horizontally and gives you smooth, super crisp, and super wide 4K picture thanks to the wide field of view and Rocksteady 3.0 feature. Of course, you're free to shoot all kinds of time lapses, slow-mos, and other fancy stuff, or even explore the seabed. The built-in color temperature sensor will help you to shoot everything in more natural colors. This way you can shoot for up to 160 minutes on one charge, and then just use the case to juice the battery up. Here's one more beast from Casio. With its ultra-tough body, this cam is ready to drop from up to 13 feet and keep recording. You'll be able to shoot full HD videos and stunning slow-mos at an ultra-wide 190-degree angle. And make sure to pair the cam with your phone via Bluetooth. There's a special app that lets you edit and share your footage right away. Going to perform a little activity either on the road or somewhere nearby? There's never been too many ways to become more visible to others. What you need is to hook these safety lights on your arms, legs, on your bike, even on your pet. Now everyone will immediately spot you from a distance. And with 100 hours lifetime, you don't have to worry they'll suddenly turn off while you're jogging. Flat tire! We have a flat tire! Nurse, bring that Foompa bike pump! We don't have a spare second! Okay, the manufacturer claims this little brick will inflate the flat tire in less than a minute. As usual, everything's pretty simple. You need to connect the device to the bike valve, press the entrader, and push the button. There's also a built-in digital pressure gauge that reads the pressure inside the tire in real time in PSI, kPa, or bar units. And here we have the little brother. It's even more compact. Well, yeah, that's because it lacks the gauge. But come on, you've been inflating the tire for ages. We're sure you'll handle that task. Just don't forget to charge those guys. Where do you spend most of your time? Right, you're either at home or at work. The situation gets a bit worse when you work from home too. Well, if you don't come outside to get some fresh air, the fresh air comes to your house. This Afloia air purifier will help you get rid of dust, debris, and your fluffy ball's hair. And of course, it'll kill almost all bacteria and viruses. What's cool? There's another filter to remove unpleasant odors and harmful gases. What you need is just to pick the preferable power and working time. Finally, the manufacturer claims the device is so quiet you can keep it on the whole night. Perhaps this purifier deserves a chance. What's one of the most important things when streaming, making podcasts, and creating any other type of content on literally any platform that comes to your mind? Yes, that's the sound. This tiny device called Boom will give your masterpieces a huge boost by elevating the sound quality. Are you an amateur singer? The built-in mic will capture every tone in your voice crystal clear. Recording with the music in the background? Boom will make sure the basses will be deep enough. Want to add a couple of effects? Go ahead. There are so many of them in the software. Connect all the devices you need and start creating. There are enough ports for all kinds of peripherals. Is there a stream on the list? Create the perfect live streaming production with the onboard mixer and loopback mode? No problem. Who would have thought a pro studio might fit in the palm of your hand? What to eat? What kind of workout to have? Which task to complete first? Why not have a little fun and let the gadget determine your fate? Spin the fidget toy and relax. There's so many circles, you'll get the answer to literally any question you ask. Don't have the right one? Write the answers yourself, no big deal. If you're someone who's having trouble with making decisions, this thing will end your restless nights and several-hour hesitations. Are you okay with that? You just want to relax a little? Use this Pokeball for that purpose. Thanks to its metal body and perfect balance, it'll spin for up to 3 minutes at high speeds, just like your drunk friend at the party. The toy glows in the dark, so watching this thing moving in low light conditions is no less amusing.